myself in the words you said, and I could not believe you. Your quality's unique, and I was enchanted by the way you spoke to the strangers on the street. In many ways you saved me, you keep my head above water. You know your own mind so well, I won't surrender any quarter. Well, if this is a dream, I'll keep my eyes wide shut forever. If this